Can you solve this math object-oriented programming question? So given an array of integers, we need to handle multiple queries of finding the sum of the elements from indices I to j. Let's say we're given this example. If we find the sum of the elements from indices 1 to 4, we get -1. Let's first go over the brute force approach. We can iterate through the indices from I to j to calculate the sum of the elements. Now, the brute force approach is not efficient if we need to perform multiple queries to find the sum of a subarray. What we can do instead is using the concept from prefix sum. We will create an array where each element is the sum of all of the elements before the current index. Now let's say we want to find the sum of the elements from indices I to j, which is -1. We can calculate the difference between the elements at indices j plus 1 and I inside the prefix sum array, which is -1. Let's implement the class numArray, create the prefix sum array, implement the constructor taking the input array, initialize the prefix sum array, iterate through the indices, calculate the prefix sum, implement the function sumRange taking the two indices I and j, return the difference between the elements at indices j plus 1 and I.